What's up, YouTube? As you may know, I have the 92 Corolla. Some people know that I have this Mustang. It's a 2006 Ford Mustang pony package. People have asked me to make a quick video of it, so right now I'm gonna do a quick walk around the video of the 2006 Ford Mustang. It's in pretty good condition. It's pretty much stock except the Flowmasters, and it needs basically a paint job. Other than that, the body's pretty good. As you can see right there, it's chipping a little bit. It's mostly on that side. This is the back. Stock engine except Flowmaster exhaust, dual exhaust. This side looks better. This is the good side of it. Pony rims, got all the caps for it too. Now the interior is pretty good. It's almost a 10 out of 10. Leather interior, no rips whatsoever. Clean interior. The back is pretty much like new. Dashboard is like new, no rips, no tears. As you can see, I keep track of all my oil changes. Bought this car approximately with 27,000 miles, 2009. Now it's 2015 and I only have about 51,000 miles. Everything works. Let's check it out. Let me turn it on. So now it has about 51,000. So I've only been putting about 5,000 miles per year, which is pretty good. Windows work. Radio works. AC works cold, even though I don't need AC where I'm at. Once again, the windows work. Try to check out the engine real quick. Engine is all stock. Put a new alternator, and I also gave it a quick tune-up not too long ago. Changed the oil also, like usual. Battery's not too old, pretty new. Like I said, it's just a simple car, nothing special. You know what I'm saying? Just keeping it simple, but looks nice. So if anybody has questions, feel free to ask me. Send me a message. That's how it sounds. I don't know if it sounds good or not through this little camera that I'm using. But feel free to ask me questions. Once again, it's the 2006 Ford Mustang. I owned it since 2009. Alright. Mustang. I will do another video driving at night. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Take care.